In this video, let me start from the test yourself. First one is multiple choice type here. In that first one is minus 18xy, which is in the bracket. Again minus in the bracket, minus 8xy is equals to. Now to further calculate, we need to open the brackets here. Let me write minus 18xy. Minus minus will get plus, and here 8xy. Okay, now here you can see the terms we are having a like terms and it is having a unlike signs. Here it is minus and here it is plus, so we need to do subtract. Okay, so 18 minus 10 8, sorry, I'll get 10, and the terms are, variables we are having xy and the bigger number carrying the negative sign. So we found the answer minus 10xy, and for this option B is the correct answer here. Okay, question number 2. This is equals to. Now to simplify further, we need to open the bracket, and this side whatever it is there, let me write as it is, that is 9a plus 7b minus 6c. Now we need to open this bracket here. Let's start multiplying this minus with the each term of this one. Now minus into plus 2a, I'll be having, that is minus 2a minus minus plus 3b minus plus minus 4c. Now we have to look after the like terms, like here it is a and here it is a. Okay, and these are the like terms having the unlike sign. So here it is plus and here it is minus. So in that case we need to do subtract. So 9 minus 2, I'll be having 7, and the variable we are having a here, and the bigger number carrying the positive sign, and which is not necessary to write. So we have done with these terms. So let me make a circle so we won't get a next in the next calculation we don't get any confusion. So here it is b and here it is by b. Okay, and having the like term, so we need to add 7 plus 3, I'll be getting, that is 10 b, and the bigger I'm carrying the positive sign. We left with only c. Now here it is c and here it is c, like terms having the like signs, that is minus minus, so we need to add 6 plus 4, I'll be having a 10, and the bigger number carrying the negative sign, so it will be minus 10c. Okay, and for this correct option we will get, that is option number b. Okay, 7a plus 10b minus 10c here. Question number 3, here we need to do divide. Okay, so let me write minus 81 a raised to the power 5 b raised to the power 4 c cube divided by minus 9 a square b square, and here it is c. Okay, now here minus minus get cancelled, and here it is 9 1s are 9, 9 9s are 81. So what left the numerical? Only left with the 9. Now see here it is having we are having the same basis. So in that case, these like a variables we will shift to the numerator, like a raised to the 5, which is in the numerator only, let me shift a square to the numerator. So when I'll send, it will become minus 2, remember. Okay, now here it was a division and it has been converted to multiplication. Now similarly we will do for the rest of the variables, into b raised to the power minus 2 into c cube into c raised to the power minus 1 here. Okay, now when the bases are same, so what we will do, we will add the powers. So I'll be having 5 plus in the bracket minus 2, like with the similarly with the b and c here, b 4 plus minus 2, and for c plus in the bracket minus 1 here. Now for the further calculation we will open the brackets, 5 plus minus minus 2, and here b 4 plus minus minus 2, for c 3 plus minus minus 1 here. Now we will subtract. A 5 minus 2, I'll be having 3, and for b 2, and for c it is 2. So we found the answer 9a cube b square, and here it is c square, and for this correct option we will find, that is option D. Okay, question number 4, and is equals to. Now to simplify this, first we will open this bar bracket. Okay, minus p cube. Now see here, minus p square minus minus plus p cube. Okay, now see here it is pq and here it is pq, and having the unlike sign, so we can just cancellation, means we will, after subtraction we will get the 0 answer. So what left? Minus minus we can say plus, and answer we got p square here, and for this option C is the correct answer. Question number 5. Now to simplify this, we need to open the bar bracket here. So I'll be having x cube minus y cube minus x bracket y square, now plus x square plus minus minus z square. Okay, so in this, within this bracket we don't find any like terms here, so we will open this bracket by multiplying minus x with each term of this polynomial here. So x cube minus y cube minus x into y square, it will be xy square, minus minus plus x into x square, I'll be having x cube. How? Bases are same, so we can add the powers, nothing it is there, means there will be 1 plus 2, that is 3. Okay, minus minus plus x into z square, I'll be having xz square. Okay, now see here we will get the like terms and having the unlike signs. Okay, no, both are like terms only. It must be minus plus minus, this is okay. So here with the like terms having the unlike signs, so after subtraction we will get the 0. So what left? Minus y cube, here it is minus xy square, and here it is plus xz square it is left, and for this option D is the correct answer. Okay. Question number 6 statement, the expression 2x raised to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 7 by x, here comma x is not equals to 0, has no constant term. This statement is true. Why? Because we don't find any constant term here. All the numbers are, it is there, but it is with the variables here. So we don't find any constant term here. Hence the statement 1 is what? True. In an algebraic expression in terms of one variable, the terms independent of the variable is called the constant. This statement is true. Why? Because the which number term we will say constant only if it is having the number. For example, here 2 which is depend on the x raised to the power 4. So this is not what? It's a constant here. Okay, it's not a constant here. What if in the 2x raised to the power 4, if it is only 2, that time we would have said that is constant. Why? Because in that time 2 which is independent of the x raised to the power 4. So if it is only 2, then we will say that is constant. Hence the statement is true, and even though statement 1 is also true. Okay. So for this option A, both statements are true here.